uVictor Bogopane obedume ngelika Doc Shebeleza ubesegule isikhathi eside. Njengoba ngasekuqaleni kukaZibandlela wadalula ukuthi uqeda kuhlinzwa. Kanti ulungiselela okunye futhi ukuhlinzwa obekuzokuba ngasekuqaleni kukaNhlolanja. Omunye wabantu abebesebenza naye uthe imiyalezo yabalandeli bakhe iyona ebemqinisa idolo ngesikhathi egula.
I remember even when he was in hospital, we would spend an hour reading those messages, and it really gave him hope. I know he was looking forward to his mother's birthday, which is going to be on the 14th. He had these massive plans about that.
Amaciko athi aqemeke engeqiwantwala.
Ngiyakhumbula ngeAmaha ukuthi bekanceda ama-artist kanjani. And nabantu bekabasiza kakhulu ama-wheelchair, izindlu and stuff like that.
Ebumnandini kulapho sosithola khona. Besishaka emaklabhini sibuye nala kwakhe sishaya lapha phezulu. Uyazi ukuthi beyane disco lapha phezulu. Une disco la kwakhe.
Ile Grootman le bengitshengisa ukuthi manje where the port is and how to get to the port yabona. So abantu abaningi bazokuvalela lento leyo yabona.
Umndeni wakhe uthi ulahlekelwe ubaba obenothando.
He was a very strict man, and my father would make sure he gets what he wants, and I think that helped us become the people that we are today.
UDoc Shebeleza ushiye emhlabeni umama wakhe, umfowabo, udadewabo, kanye nezingane zakhe eziyishiyagalolunye okungabafana abayisithupha kanye namantombazane amathathu.